Mache, a car or Minganye. I don't know how to say hello in Ewe, so I'll start with a three. Morning, everyone. I'll show you the mountain view. Got some nice fog going on there. I don't know if it's fog or whether there's been a blast because they're breaking down the middle mountain, as you guys know. So yeah, morning. New day, new opportunities. So today is the steel bending day. So now the steel that's gonna hold your building. So that the decking basically. So now we're doing that. Again, as I said, I'm doing half, and then after I do half after. So which I kind of don't like, because that means I have to find another time to come back again. But anyway, today is steel bending day. So let me go and say hello. So yep. There was someone that was meant to take this bamboo and put it at the back because they're gonna use it. They're gonna keep taking it and using it for firewood. But that hasn't happened. So I'll speak to the guy and give him something after. No, make us yes. So I can see this guy's doing the rings. These are the rings that will hold the iron rods together. So they use these smaller ones here. Like they're 10 mm to do it. We were meant to put the bathroom thing here yesterday, but they haven't done it, so that's fine. We've got time. Boss, morning. Ezay. We have a call. Is it na you man over share the answer? Maybe I took her there. Okay. 12 mm. If you oh, okay. To work. Say, we are not say. Okay. I say you man with the some small boy. Movie that better. Say we are no my until we have 2 tons in the vessel.
2 tons no. 5 feet I'm say what turnover. 5 feet I'm say what turnover.
Sir.
5 feet no over.
Who can say 2
2
tons I'm toy.
By 12 na 2 tons not to. But I say for me
I will form say I'm be kind. I know I'm be kind. I'm short 20.
Oh,
me TV that.
Miss Aramuto.
Okay.
Said be so no who tons one you careful. You be for come.
Omodi go on. Na me can come in kind. NH no me yes okay young kind. You can 20 ayra.
And you on the first person. I until last time say me my debe mama na say okota of them say it's me mama you crib back. It's almost a matter I see you. No members of my mountain answer. Yeah, shot it 10 pieces.
Hey.
It's honor say also no content the move from
yeah.
And no. Uno
it's all kind of many and or kind or from so from or phone so look like a from not capture them say we are short to 20 and I'm so on farm brother Ben or the baba and also the baba and I pay or look around brand me brands and first can know to move farm and I'm saying my third year no and I'm saying move them to move farm and also the baba channel into me channel. Well, I'm 20.
I'm the first person. Sanchez on the Debian. Wow.
Yeah. It's all kind.
Hey, all kind. And it's idea, therefore, come.
Hey.
Certain person, 20
pieces.
I will, not much.
I'm
the first person.
Only worker.
Say, I'm not more, you know, one more. Money, I need more.
Manager, into
who be top, baby. 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 10 pieces.
Yeah, no one that amount. 20, but 20. At least yeah, 3, 4 beer, 20.
No more. And I'm going to first.
Yeah.
If you're not down, say, "Oh, come with your photo."
Number ke wa hands na waba. Sana uba undile. On the next day no one farm ba. Me ne brata kan ko. Enti next time come ba.
Okay, I'm going to Wednesday. Wednesday, no, everybody, brother, so Mokoto that.
Yes, yakoto. But no one farm my.
Wednesday, I'm going to Mokoto that.
But next time me train the yakoto we na me train no aba. But if I wait na bro so.
Oh, yeah. The camp na.
No more continue so. Okay. Okay.
I miss you guys here, and I miss you guys here. But 6 days ago, you need to tell me this one. I said, I have
we talk 2 tons. Say on na short no.
I'm not sure 20.
I'm not sure 20 pieces.
2 tons,
we say 125. And then say 250.
2 tons.
Yes, I know they say 220 never. Yeah, 230. Say 230. And 20 are short. Yeah.
When you let the phone this year.
Omo buy omo sheshe omo bon komo owi o ka dem say omo nim sheshe bon komo ni ntino am say boss I on dey farm because I ain't dey no 2 days ago man farm ba nti mo yes na buy 3 okay okay boss anti one farm one count nti one farm be rank count one farm for one count
9.8
mo yes say mo yes 4 okay
this is minutes we look
okay yo no problem rushing why yeah, so as you can see, there's iron rods as I explained to you today. For those that I'll try and do my English. So now, basically, they're gonna put the bigger ones, which is the 16 mm, in these holes here, right? These are the beams, and they'll link it to these ones here. Right, to tighten up with the coil. We got 3 people here. Big boss. Hey, is you Obobi to her? Papa, wild. And Rami, that's why. My heroine, for you know. Watch you.